Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to order a kid's meal on Qantas flight. So guys, the first thing that you'll first need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com, and you'll be having a site looking like this in front of you. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, and all of those things. And in the middle of the screen, we have, as you can see, the option where you can go and book a flight or trip, of course. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and order a kid's meal on Qantas Airlines. So go to Qantas website, as I told you in the start of the video, and log in. And then go to click the Manage Booking tab and enter your booking reference and last name. You can do that by clicking on the top right corner, then clicking on My Bookings, and then clicking on Manage Booking, which is here as you can see. Then find the option to request special meals and select kids meals. Then ensure you confirm the request and save the changes. So first you need to put in here, and I don't have a flight at the moment, but when you have one, when you put in the flight reference and last name, click continue, you'll have your flight there. Just ensure that you confirm the request and save the changes. Kids meals are available on selected Qantas services and must be requested at least 24 hours before your departure. You won't automatically be added to your booking day. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. That will be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.